This is my third video on my Jeep. And to bring this to me, this morning I just got my fan shroud in with my electric fan, and I got it hooked up, but I had to splice it because they had removed, the owner before me had removed the connectors, and they had everything spliced in, so I had to figure that out. Just to recap, I changed out the thermostat, water pump. I had a leak, put a new water pump in it, and new Serpentine belt, and put a map sensor, throttle position sensor, a idle valve sensor. So I got a bunch of new sensors in it. Anyway, I'm going to run a test on it. I checked it earlier. The fan kicked in about 195 degrees. Yeah, I've got it all hooked up, got the shroud, and we're going to see what it does. Anyway, again, another quick recap. There's my new shroud. And right now, temporarily have the coolant fan. I don't know if you can see all that. It's just spliced in, and that's just temporary. The previous owner evidently removed the connectors and had this fan all spliced in. And so far, I haven't been able to figure out where I can get new connectors for it. I'm still researching that. New thermostat, new hoses, new Serpentine belt, new water pump. It's the new shroud, but the old electric fan that came with the vehicle. Map sensor, idle control valve sensor, throttle control or throttle position sensor. Those have been changed now. I don't know if they were bad or not, but I went ahead and changed them. Okay, we're going to go inside and start it up and let it run. Okay, we're inside. We're going to insert the key. There we go. I do have an engine light now. I'm going to have to analyze that later. It starts up and it runs pretty good. You can see the panel. Everything looks pretty normal. It is low on gas. Anyway, we'll let it run for a while. And last time the fan kicked in between, I guessed around 195 to 200 degrees. So it'll take a few minutes for that. Probably longer now. I'm not sure. We'll see. Out from here. Came back out. It's been running about 5 minutes. The fan hasn't kicked in yet. Go inside and check the temperature. It's probably about 185 to 190, something like that. But it's approaching that area that it kicked on before. Hopefully it will kick on. I'm not really sure if I've got it hooked up properly, because I could not find any information, YouTube or the internet, calling, I keep calling the Jeep dealership, but it seemed like nobody could help me on I've been able to find a connector for the fan, but not a connector that goes to the fan. It goes to the power source. And we'll wait for a few more minutes. And while I was inside checking the other things, I heard the fan kick on, and it kicked on at about the same place, about 195 to 200. So I think that's pretty normal. I think it's got about 180 degree thermostat and sensor in the system. The AC is not working properly, so I don't know if it'll come on with the AC. One of the things that I've noticed, 202,000 miles, this engine runs pretty smooth. I'm happy the way it runs. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside, let it run for a while, and I'll be back. See if it's going to kick in. Okay, well, I'm coming back out here to button everything up. I appreciate y'all watching the videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. This was just a quick update on what I'm doing as I continue with more projects on this Jeep. I'll make additional videos, and this is just a hobby for me. Being retired is something to do, and I'm enjoying it right now. So this is Paul Stevens out for now. Thank you for watching. Please check my son's channel out when you get a chance. He produces great how-to videos on mechanical and electronic issues, and I'm sure you'll enjoy them. Here it is.